Yeah.
Let's see, does it say her name? Casey!
Casey, look, it says K-A-C-Y. Oh, what's that?
Got a scooter!
A new car? Oh! Santa Claus.
Casey, look! Casey, look!
See.
Casey, Casey,
Whoa, that's
Look.
stunning.
your car. It has
Wow.
it has here.
Wow.
No, here, Casey.
Where my treats go
You
out?
have a remote control. Here, put the car on the ground. Now press these buttons.
Wow.
Santa Claus.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, what did Mommy get?
Mama!
Oh, yay. Some new jeans and boots. Let's see. Oh,
look at-
perfect.
You can look in your stocking.
Shampoo.
Shampoo and finally,
Some new PJs.
some
Mama.
new PJs.
Santa listened.
What did Daddy get?
Oh, look at Daddy got a new chair.
Yeah.
Look, just what I was asking for.
Cassie got a new stocking.
Barbecue pellet.
Cassie got this for you.
Oh, Cassie, that's for Cassie.
A treat?
Look at this. 'Cause
Merry
that
Christmas.
chair has sparkles all over. I think it's.
Look
Reindeer.
at what Casey got.
That Cassie got.
What the heck is this?
It's supposed to be for the smoker.
Yeah.
Sweet. Look at my new chair.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Merry.
This is in my kitchen.
Okay, that's for both of
No, it's
you.
for both you.
Okay, there's 3 different. Yeah.
Casey, look.
Did Santa eat all the cookies?
Yeah. Yeah. But not.
Oh, you're gonna eat the carrot?
Yeah. He only took 4 carrots.
Here, cause Casey,
Look it.
That's
He
too
took
hard.
the note.
is that too hard?
Casey can do it.
He took the hard. Good. The note.
Look it.
Nice.
And the milk?
No.
Yeah, he drank some of the milk. The
He
milk.
took the kit. He took the card.
He took all the cookies.
Casey's hungry. She's eating a carrot first thing. That's funny. Okay, Merry Christmas. I'm gonna turn off the video.
Here's one for
Casey, can you say Merry Christmas?
You want one?
Did Santa leave those?
Want one?
Yeah, thanks. Okay, Merry Christmas.
Thanks.